Gold has been humanity's store of value for centuries, but let's talk about why Bitcoin is actively demonetizing it and why $670,000 per Bitcoin is a very conservative figure for Bitcoin's potential. Gold's market capitalization is around $14 trillion today, while Bitcoin is sitting around $1.8 trillion. And Bitcoin is currently in the process of demonetizing gold. Gold has been sound money for centuries, but Bitcoin is demonetizing gold because it is superior in every monetary category. The main ways Bitcoin beats out gold is by being easier to store, easier to transport, and easier to secure and verify authenticity. And the main way Bitcoin beats gold is by having absolute scarcity. Gold supply still increases at about 2% per year. If we come up with better mining technologies, it could be increasingly easy to extract gold from the earth. But Bitcoin, it is a capped supply at 21 million coins. So that ensures your supply isn't being diluted by adding more Bitcoin to the market. So the reason why I say $670,000 is a very conservative case for Bitcoin is because it is digital gold, but it is superior. So if Bitcoin were to just match the market cap of gold, that would put us right around $670,000 per Bitcoin. And again, when we look at this map of global financial assets, gold is still just a fraction of this, and Bitcoin is eating not just into the market cap of gold, but also into equities, real estate, and bonds. And the reason this is because Bitcoin is a sound money protocol. We currently live on a fiat monetary protocol where money is created out of thin air, and you need assets, real estate, and bonds just to keep up with the money printer. And on a Bitcoin standard, you no longer need to park your wealth in these assets, and they will get demonetized. So when trying to understand Bitcoin, the most important question you can ask yourself is, what is money? And what makes sound money historically? Look at historical examples of sound money and how Bitcoin has perfected scarce money in the digital age. And once you start researching and learning about Bitcoin, there's no turning back. So Bitcoin will continue to be the apex predator of global financial assets. It'll continue to eat into all of these squares here, and its market cap will continue to grow. Free market incentives will always lead people towards using the better money. We're just at a point where education is sorely lacking. People don't understand what Bitcoin is yet, but the more they do, the more they will wake up to its superior monetary qualities. So the most important thing you can do for yourself now is just to continue doing the research. There's a lot of great books out there, great podcasts, great YouTube videos. So just keep learning and start by stacking some sats today. If you're looking to get some Bitcoin for yourself, my personal recommendation is River. They are a Bitcoin only company that focuses on security. They have full proof of reserves, meaning you can go verify that they own all the Bitcoin that they say they do on behalf of their clients. Other Bitcoin and crypto exchanges do not provide this. So if you enjoy this type of content, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That helps out a ton. And as always, together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.